Hey guys, Mike Malbro once again with Wallet Reset. It's the weekend, it's Saturday, and I have my boys. Here's my oldest one right here. He just turned 10. Say hi, Josiah. So, Josiah, over the last couple weeks, has been asking me to start making his own money, and he wants to start a business. So, what I did is I taught him affiliate marketing, and I taught him affiliate marketing the way that I wouldn't necessarily tell somebody to start if they were trying to start a long-term business. But I want to start really, really simply with him, and as time goes on, I'm going to actually build him up to what I teach in my program, Starters Formula. But I wanted to share with you guys what he did. It's a very simple process. But first, before I get into that, if you are not a member, if you are not a Wallet Reset member and you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button, okay? And also hit the bell notification for notifications. At the same time, I want to make sure that you know that if you get anything from this video, right, which should be easy to understand, should be very beneficial, I want you to hit the thumbs up. If you have any questions at any given point in time, or if you would like to see a video where I actually walk you through step by step what I showed my son on how to make his own money, go ahead and leave a comment below this video. So now that I've said all that and gotten all that out of the way, what we ended up doing is a very simple business process where we just essentially do affiliate marketing directly linking from the content that we have to a product. So what I had him do is I taught him how to do quick research to find products that are products that people want, products that people are looking for online. After we found a few things that he could talk about, we just promoted it. No, that was pretty much it. We found some pictures to help promote, and then we posted those pictures on Pinterest. I made him a brand new account on Pinterest, and then we got a couple of affiliate links from Amazon, and he posted 3. I posted 2 for him to kind of show him how it works, but then he posted 3 for himself. And his job is to every day find 3, every time he's with me, find 3 images to post of 3 products that he thinks are cool, that are kind of like his wish list products, and post them. Now here's the cool thing, and I didn't tell him this necessarily, so hopefully this is cool, but I didn't tell him that this is also for me to know what he likes and what he wants. So eventually when he starts making his sales, I'm going to actually order some of these things for him. So he doesn't know that yet. He's still just kind of like in the zone with the game, so he probably didn't pay that close of attention to it.
I heard you.
Oh, they heard me. But yeah, so anyway, I wanted to tell you guys that even though what I teach you guys in Starters Formula has an extra step, the reason why you have that extra step is so that you're building a all-out business. Now, since my son is not 13, I don't want him to build a business that way, right? So this is primarily good for younger kids that are young, that aren't above the age of 13, because if you're not 13, technically you can't do your own YouTube channel, and you can't do your own Pinterest and stuff like that, because it's illegal for them to market directly to children without their parents' permission. He has my permission, and I am actually managing the page that he's using, so it's cool. I want to start him off small and slow, so that's why we're doing it that way. But as soon as he gets to be 13, he's going to do what I show in Starters Formula. So if you are trying to start a new business, if you're trying to start a business online, it's a very simple process, and I outline it and I show it step by step, and you get to watch me set up a brand new business through my program, Starters Formula. If you're interested in learning, the link is in the description below. This is it for my video. I'm about to cook some dinner for my boys. Hopefully you guys have a great week, have a great weekend, and I hope you guys go ahead and start the business that I know you dream of starting. This is Mike Malbro, Wallet Reset. See you guys on the next one. Peace.